After a few days of what seemed like endless video editing for my Christmas 2017 series, it's finally time to sit back and relax. And potentially scare the crap out of myself because I'm looking so forward to using this with Resident Evil 7. Hello guys, how are you? David Franco here from davidfranco.com. Actually, it's davidfran.co. Today's video is going to be very casual. Yeah, there's not going to be any B-roll, no first impressions of, myself actually using the PlayStation VR. This is just a simple unboxing of this. But regardless of the simplicity of this video, don't let that fool you guys. I am extremely excited. God, I love these 4K screensavers on the Apple TV 4K. Just beautiful. Anyway, I am extremely excited to finally own and use the PlayStation VR. Heavy emphasis on use because, yes, I haven't even touched the VR yet. So, I was fortunate enough to get the Gran Turismo Sports bundle for Christmas. This comes with Gran Turismo Sports, as you can probably imagine. The PlayStation camera, a brand new one, so I guess I can say goodbye to my old one and maybe move it over to my streaming setup in my bedroom. I don't know. And of course, the VR headset itself. Now, I don't think this bundle includes the PlayStation Move controllers, which are right here. Not a big deal. That's just something I can buy myself. And plus, it means more lights, guys. I am obsessed with lights. Huh. I just noticed the tape was broken already. Hopefully that's not a sign of, an Astro headset catastrophe all over again. I'm sure it's fine. Alright, so here we go. I am so excited to finally own this. Now, this will be taking the place of my vinyl, my record player, my turntable. Let's just call it a turntable, because that's what it is. Okay, so that's probably not related directly, but it is, because I'm just saying this. My turntable, while I enjoy it, and I actually used it the other day to play some Pentatonix Christmas, incredible music, it just doesn't get enough use in here. So, with that said, I will be moving my turntable elsewhere. To where, I don't know, but I definitely want to continue using it. Perhaps in the office. I mean, yes, who knows, I could put together a decent setup in there. Okay, so, if you're new to my channel, it's probably no secret, I like to talk. Here we go. PlayStation VR. This is a big moment, guys. A big moment. So big I have it backwards. 3, 2, 1. Damn it. Alright. We got another box. But I gotta say, that packaging is really well done. Look at that. So smooth. Very smooth. I cannot wait to see what Resident Evil 7's like with this. Guys, you can actually peek around the corners. It's just gonna be terrifying. And also, you have to look at it from my perspective. With a 65-inch TV, 5.2 surround sound, and with VR thrown in, it's going to be an insane experience. So PlayStation VR, they give you a huge manual, which I might look through, I don't know. It should be self-explanatory. The first real box inside the box contains, let's see, PlayStation VR Demo Desk 2.0. Interesting. This alone could be a really cool experience. Huh. Oh man, that's gonna be a lot of fun. And of course, I will be showing this in future weekend vlogs, so stay tuned. PlayStation VR little booklet, micro USB cable, power adapter, and yes, from what I understand, there are a ton of cables and adapters associated with the VR. That's the only major downside, but thankfully I'm kind of a neat freak, so I'm gonna tuck all the cables behind my AV center, and in theory, you really shouldn't see any mess at all. Earbuds, really? I guess, I don't know. I probably won't use those since I have my surround sound. And this looks like some kind of... Huh. Look at that. That's so interesting. So I guess I will have to look into this. This looks like an HDMI pass-through device. Right there. Maui's like in the PlayStation VR box. That only took 5 minutes. Good boy, Maui. Enjoy. So this is going to be pretty cool, and it's got a built-in fan, so that should give you an idea of how much processing power we are dealing with here. Wow! Gran Turismo Sport actually comes in a physical case. You don't see that very often nowadays, guys. You just don't. You typically get a download code. So this is a very, very nice surprise, and I can proudly put this on my shelf. So 60 gigabyte minimum, PS4 Pro enhanced, which I still don't have, by the way. Soon enough, 2018, you'll see. I promise. PlayStation VR, branded cleaning cloth. Man, a lot of stuff. HDMI cable. Looks like another HDMI cable, except this one's a lot longer, and it looks like there's an adapter on the end, which I'm assuming has something to do with this, perhaps. Of course, I'll look into it in a bit off camera. I don't want to waste your time. My God, Sony, you gave me a lot of things here. I'm acting like it's a sponsor. It's not. Oh, sorry, Maui. This looks like some kind of holder. Not really sure. I will figure that out later. Power cable. Oh, the PlayStation Move camera, which is actually quite a bit smaller than the previous PlayStation camera. Did I say PlayStation Move camera? Just PlayStation camera. This one's definitely much more circular. And of course, as mentioned, I will go into detail in future videos, I promise. This is just a very rough unboxing. So that's it. Obviously, last but certainly not least, the most important part of the package is the PlayStation VR headset itself. Wow. And guys, it does light up, which, as stupid as it sounds, is one of my favorite features. This is gonna be so interesting. I have a lot to learn, but there you go. PlayStation VR. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you expected gameplay footage, I apologize. Don't really know what you expected, because I said in the beginning of this video that I'm not gonna show anything besides my unboxing this. But I can say this with confidence. This is just the beginning of my PlayStation VR coverage. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed my Christmas 2017 series, and here's to a great and successful start to 2018. Let's make it the best year yet. Kick ass, be productive, and of course, play plenty of video games. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.